friends, welcome to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today we'll be making a beautiful wall hanging. Let's get started.
Now we are going to make a butterfly. For this we need a color paper. Let us cut out squares of 7 cm from the sheet. Cut out 8 squares totally. Then take a bottle cap or a bangle that fits perfectly on the square. You can also use a compass. Cut out 4 circles out of 4 squares. Now we have 4 circles and 4 squares. For one butterfly we need 1 square and 1 circle.
Fold the square along its diagonal. Same with the circle. Now stick them both such that their midline coincide with each other. We have stuck the circle to the square. Now we are going to fold it front and back alternatively.
Now take a piece of woolen thread and tie it in the middle. Oh, I need help, sister. Please come. Cut the excess thread. Take a piece of color paper and fold it in half. This is for the antenna. Now we are going to roll it from this end and this end. You can use a stick for rolling. You can also use your hand. Now we are going to stick this antenna to the butterfly. Our butterfly is ready. Make 3 more butterflies in the same way.
We are now going to make a flower. For making this, we are going to use soft foam sheet called felt. Using a bottle cap, draw circles on it and cut them out.
Now the circular pieces are ready. For one flower, we need 5 pieces. Fold it and arrange it like this. Using needle and thread, pass it like this. Sister, please help. and make a knot. The knot should neither be too loose nor too tight. To make the flower more beautiful, let's stick a pom-pom. Make 4 more flowers in the same way. If you don't have pom-poms at home, don't worry. I'll tell you how to make one using woolen thread. The pom-pom is ready. I'll show you how to make a stick from old newspaper. Take a piece of newspaper and roll it like this. Stick it. Cut the ends and paint it. Make 12 sticks totally. We are going to make a frame. Take 2 sticks and stick it together using a glue gun. The sticks are now ready. Let's start making the frame. Arrange it like this and stick it. Now the frame is ready. Attach a thread to it. Let's stick the butterflies.
With this artistic wall hanging, make your boring plain wall interesting and attractive. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.